Hello, welcome to today's Outlook. Going to just crack on with it. Hope everyone had good Christmas and a good New Year. We're finally back. So these are Monday's levels, Monday's high, Monday's low basically. I'm looking for a close above, H1 close above this to instigate longs. Targets open at the moment. We'll consider these lows here as a potential target. You can see the support coming off these lows, so that would be a logical area to take some profits, but we'll see how we go. We usually leave them to Friday, so the higher time frame basis behind this trade, what I like to trade, swing points. So we have a swing low in the market, we've come down, we've raided it, and we also have this level here, nice support here, finding it hard to break through here, but the nice thing about this level is if we go down it lines up perfectly with Monday's high, so that's why I'm looking for a close above that, which would give me a clear path to the upside. So quite logical, come down, take an area of stops, look for the reversal, utilising Monday's high to pivot off, and it also lines up with a higher time frame level, so makes a lot of sense, this trade. The other thing I'm looking at is Euro USD. So on the higher time frames we have this level, support and resistance. You can see support, resistance, support, resistance. So we've had a nice little bounce up, but basically I'm looking for, we have Monday's low and we have this higher time frame level. Let me just thicken that up for you. If we break below these two, then it's a clear path to the downside. It has to break through these two levels first. We'll see how it goes, just keeping an eye on it for now, but it would line up nicely with dollar Swissy. As for stop placement, we'll have to let price unfold. If we can get little swing highs in here, anywhere above this level should be fine. It's a bit steep, this stop loss, for a moment, but we'll stay here for now, but I'll be looking to get closer to this level if we get a little swing high to sort of hide our stop behind. So that's the main two plays really. I'm also looking at Euro New Zealand. So daily level, most recent daily level, support, we've come up and we've hit this level. You can see the support here, resistance, so quite a nice level. We've had this downtrend for a while, a little bit of a correction into previous structure, and now looking for continuation to take out these lows down here. Same again, basically looking at Monday's low to get involved. You can see the resistance turn support at this level. So anything like this would be ideal, and that is the three main plays that I'm looking at this week. Nothing else as clear as them. We do have, let me go over dollar yen. I think that was the last thing that I left you with. We were looking for a move to the downside. So before we left, was looking for a break below here to fill in this thin price action down here. We got it, but we got no momentum going into Friday, and trade was closed. And then I don't trade these 2 weeks, unfortunately for me, so missed Missed the move when it did decide to break down, but hey ho, and plenty of other opportunities. So I think I'll leave it quite short and sweet. Anything you want me to go over for tomorrow's? I have a few more instruments on the watch list, such as Aussie, etc. But I'll quickly go over it. We have just this swing, these levels here. You can see support, resistance, resistance. We've broke down. I'm looking for it to get. I'm looking for the reversal to get back above this level, and then continue on. We do have Monday's levels here, so if it did get back above Monday's high, for instance, that would confirm that we are going back in line with the trend and back up, but that's a long way off. This could just break down. So the thing that most excites me most is dollar Swiss, and that is the thing that I'm keeping an eye on, along with Euro USD. It needs to break down. So that's it. Like I say, first one back. So we'll take our time, get ease back in. Any questions, anything you need, just let me know. If you want me to cover it in tomorrow's one, then just hit me up. So wishing you all the best for today, and I'll see you tomorrow.